Hey, what's up, Pacey AI fam? It's your boy Pacey here, and today we're diving into the wild world of AI news. From brainiac lectures to groundbreaking tech, get ready for updates that'll make your head spin in the best way. So let's kick it off with this huge announcement. The University of Bristol is hosting a week-long AI extravaganza featuring none other than the godfather of AI himself, Geoff Hinton. Yup, you heard right. Bristol's AI University of the Year title isn't just for show. From June 2nd to the 6th, they're rolling out free workshops, expert panels, and wait for it, a Richard Gregory Memorial Lecture where Geoff Hinton will tackle whether digital intelligence can outsmart or outlive our biological brains. The man who laid the groundwork for neural networks, backlinks to his Bristol roots, and even helped shape ChatGPT is speaking. You better believe we're hyped. But wait, there's more. Apple just dropped fresh AI features across iPhones, iPads, and Macs. We're talking magical photo edits, smart health tools, and predictive text that's basically telepathy. Meanwhile, manufacturing sectors are going all in on AI to boost production, slash errors, and master supply chains, like robots having robots babies. Not quite, but close enough. On the flip side, the UK music industry's got cold feet. They're slamming new AI training policies, worried creators might get ghosted by machines, and in the wild world of health tech, Google's AMIE AI is schooling docs by spotting X-ray and MRI issues faster than a human. Let's hope this doesn't kickstart a robot uprising, or does it? So, there you go. AI is still the star of the show, folks. From lectures to lawsuits, medical magic to manufacturing massacres. Kidding, sorta. This field never sleeps. If you're as mind blown as I am, hit that like, share with your AI loving squad, and don't forget to subscribe to Pacey AI. Smack that bell icon so you never miss a beat. Catch you next time, same AI channel, same AI vibes.